Palat Hajar ngut Nongshong Shnong ke Maikhuli ke Beni Shnong ke Beran Hak Jaga Khapot ke Jelam Meghalaya bat Assam ke Beran Hak Distrik Revoke. Kelimi padba banyat padba ban persya ajur ke jing syak ni eno jongki ya ke Pung Dohkha bat ke belasyak penhap ke Jela Assam kat kum ke sekolah belesoi ya perengki artli ke Jela kat kum ke jing keren tembet buat jong ke wat ke Beningkong. Hagni ke jing mi padba lapan long biang deki Nongshong Shnong ke Maikhuli balalam kemat di rurang ba Shnong Nicholas Marak. Nang tahu Henetson marak ubade orang bak Shnong barim bat kiwe-kiwe kinang elam Shnong rengkat ke kenuhun ki samla bat kilong kemelong kepa ke belara di kejing tok boper ban persyajur kene kejing syak penhap no ya kene ke Pung Dohkha syaka jela Assam. Na kalian kini kinang elam Shnong ke Maikhuli ke Pynphai kejing Sokya ke bejur halor ke jing hap no jong kene ke Pung Dohkha syaka jela Assam ke bagi lari le sumar la Palat san pos nem tam. Bagi kilong makadairu ka wain kilat ban penmi ya ki Dohkha bat keban kentiu ru ya kayok kokot jongki. Kita Pynphai ru bagi Shnong Maikhuli hapo upod usam jong ke distrik Revoke. Kedi Shnong ke bala rim tam ke jela bagi Nongshong Shnong kilong kita kinong ya da yo upod usam jong ke jela. Na ke jing syak kentur puat ke berjaman lagi senam. Bagi Pynphai ru bakum ki Nongshong Shnong kidap ke jing kemen bali jing itu na do na menteri rangba beningkong ke jela Meghalaya u Captain Williamson sangma. Bagi long bagi layo urus shibun ke jing Arab no Dr. Didi Lapang ubala bat bon sien ek syuki menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya. Kilong bagi dap ke jing kemen ke bakrau bantip bagi jela Meghalaya ba Assam kelaya cikemat ban penbet nak pura yo upod usam. Ndrai kim syem lapoi perkat pat ba ke jaka ke ba kum ke Shnong ke long try na upos na menswa. Maria pia ya upod usam bat bala penbet ila hab bandu no. Syusyur kila pentip bagi ladap banbo ya ki Dohkha jauh menteri rangba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal sangma yang tahu sembut menteri rangba ke jelau ba Preston Tensong di bawah penyat distrik Revoke bat Dawa ban Pynkylla no ekene ke sekolah ke beradap esoi ba ke jela Assam. Akabedai bagi jeng penhap no ekene ke Pung Dohkha jong ke Maikhuli syak ke jela Assam.
We are protesting here regarding Meghalaya government and Assam government. They have already signed the MOU in Delhi, but there is one point we have objectionable that memorandum number 5. I'll read out this memorandum. Whereas in the meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya on 6 August 2021 at Guwahati Regional Committee headed by a minister with local MLA and other officers as members both side for the 6 area of difference covering 3 districts each of on both sides were to be constituted for jointly visiting the area followed by their independent analysis of the area of difference using 5 mutually agreed principle. IA1 historical perspective, 2 ethnicity of local population, 3 contiguity with boundary, 4 people's will, and 5 administrative convenience at yardstick. We have learned that this point is not going to for our side. It is objectionable that people's will. This should be done by the Meghalaya government or Assam government. This is a very important point, and administrative convenience as yardstick, because Meghalaya government is already was given to us all the facility, schools and roads and everything given by the Meghalaya government. But Assam, we don't have any single paisa also. That's why we have objection that this fishery fund, actually this is given to the Assam government, that area out of the shared area, claim area of 2.29 square kilometer, a total of 0.50 square kilometer, approximately parts of the village Maikhuli, Pilangata, and Borapata Stonegwari area will be with Meghalaya. Further, in Khanapara area, out of 0.08 square kilometer demanded during the discussion, it is agreed that the ASTC transit camp or police outpost Namkor Assamese inhabited area of number 1 Khanapara village, and Dreamland Resort area totaling approximately 0.03 square kilometer will be Assam. That place also, some Khanapara area also already given to Assam. The rest of the 0.5 square kilometer area, including the entire apartment complex of Brahmaputra Realtors Private Limited, will be with Meghalaya. In rest of the portion between ASTC Transit Camp to Dreamland Resort boundary will be along with the road connecting to the GS road. In Patarkusi area, inhabited by Garos and other ethnic communities of Meghalaya and their religious and cultural places, if any, will be included in Meghalaya during detailed survey. In Maikhuli area, Muammari Bill, which is adjacent to Maikhuli playground, will remain with Assam. That's why we are protesting this very important matter, that the playground will be Meghalaya and graveyard will be Meghalaya. Then between this fishery pond, how it is going to Assam? That's why we have protesting this thing, especially this fishery pond. We have maintaining more than 50 years. So we have constructed returning wall and job card signboard is also here, and fishery we have given pieces here. Every year we have catching and we have selling, and that financial we have managing some schools and others also. That's why I request our Honorable Chief Minister Konrad Sangma, please look after this matter again and again. We have submitting memorandum also, and earlier we have submitted and details, historical and what to say, everything we have submitted to you. So please, sir, you please consider this matter and give back to the Maikhuli village.